And for assembly, we were going to use a 9/32 deep socket to make sure this O-ring, spacer, and other O-ring go down flat and flush. It's very important to make sure assembly goes right. So we're going to take your orange O-ring, take your 9/32 to push it down. Some people want to use their finger in there. I find it's next to impossible to get my fingers in there all the way. So you use your 9/32 deep socket. That will ensure it goes down correctly. Take your spacer. Take your 9/32 deep socket. Make sure you push it down. See, that's where I'm struggling with, and that's why you're using the deep socket. Because I found it's next to impossible to try to get that down with just your pick tool. No matter what you try, it won't go down flush. It's very important you want that flat, because if you don't, you won't get a good seal when you try reassembling on your fuel line. So your next O-ring. Again, use the deep socket to push it down. I just want to show you this before I put it on. I did end up scratching once or twice with the pick tool trying to get this out. No matter how many times I try this is about my third try, I end up scratching. It's not great, but as long as you didn't actually chip it, I found this will still work when you try using it on your fuel line. There is no slot or exact spot this has got to go on. You just want to make sure it goes down all the way flush. And again, that's what I find the deep sockets for. And again, it's kind of more easier said than done, but hold on here. So again, with that deep socket, I wasn't able to do it on camera. I was able to push all the way down. And now you got an assembled fuel connector. Like I said, this is my solution. We use the clip. More than likely, you're going to put this on the fuel rail before assembly. And then when you are ready, if you got your O-rings and your old fuel line connector, you now have new O-rings, a brand new spacer. It should go down without resistance. And you should be ready to assemble that. Hopefully this video helps. I'm hoping it saves some headaches. At least it did for me. And good luck with your fuel line repair on your 3.8 liter GM engine.